Bangkok is a city of energy, elegance, and endless discovery. And during my stay at Sofitel Sukhumvit, I found the perfect balance of comfort and convenience right in the heart of it all. The locations absolutely unbeatable. With the BTS stations just a short walk away, getting around the city couldn't have been easier. Now, during my stay, the hotel was undergoing lobby renovation. While this could have been a hassle, the staff handled it such a professionalism that it barely impacted my experience. In fact, when I arrived, there was a slight mix-up with my room assignment. But within minutes, the front desk team made it right, ensuring I had the perfect setup, a double bed exactly as I requested. One of my favorite surprises, the 24-hour gym, fully equipped with modern fitness facilities. It gave me the freedom to work out whenever I wanted, something I truly appreciate while traveling. And then there's the pool, a true standout, Olympic size, perfect for water cardio, whether you are swimming laps or just cooling off. A plenty option of sunbeds also, from private cabana or just a single lounger. They're always a comfortable spot to unwind and soak in the tropical vibes of Bangkok. Then there is a breakfast, and let me tell you, it was an experience in itself. A mouth-watering mix of local Thai delicacy and international favorite, all served with stunning city view, the perfect way to start the day. But what truly made my stay exceptional? The people. From the front desk to the restaurant team, every staff member was warm, attentive, and genuinely dedicated to making my stay special. So, would I recommend Sofitel Sukhumvit Bangkok? Without hesitations. Despite minor renovations and the hotel prime locations, impeccable service and thoughtful amenities made my stay nothing short of wonderful. If you're looking for a seamless, well-serviced stay in Bangkok, this is a fantastic choice. A city like Bangkok deserves a stay that's just as dynamic. And at Sofitel Sukhumvit, you'll find it exactly that.